Hi, I'm Fernando Vargas. I'm the brands manager at Privarsa. We at Privarsa are a Mexican company focused on supplying the Mexican market in the mold injection industry. We have been working with Nexthermal for over 30 years, and they are actually our oldest current suppliers. We have always been very thankful with their outstanding service in both quality and product. Another key factor that has helped our joint success is that they trained us to wind and compact the coil heaters in-house, which has helped us considerably lower the delivery times to our customers, helping us maintain the quality that both Nexthermal and Privarsa are known for.
At Nexthermal, our mission has always been about more than just building heaters. We've built a reputation for engineering, expertise, reliability, and working closely with our customers to solve complex heating challenges across a wide range of industries. For us, partnerships are the foundation of everything we do. That's why it's such an honor to recognize Privarsa, our longest-standing distributor. For nearly 4 decades, Privarsa has stood alongside us, representing Nexthermal with an unwavering commitment to service, technical knowledge, and problem solving. They don't just sell products, they deliver solutions, and they do it with the same dedication to their customers that we strive for every day.
We're very thankful to Nexthermal for the invitation, and we are looking forward to many years of working together successfully.